Are the Google Pixel Buds waterproof? Buying a waterproof pair of earbuds is a must for those who lead active lifestyles and don't want to worry about their audio equipment getting damaged by sweat, rain, or even a dip in the pool. One of the best options for those within Google's ecosystem is the Pixel Buds series. But the question remains, how well do the Google Pixel Buds perform when exposed to water? Are these Google earbuds really waterproof? The Google Pixel Buds come in two series, the A series and the Pixel Buds Pro. The Pixel Buds A series have a water protection rating of IPX4, which means they provide some protection against water splashes and exposure to light rain. The charging case for the Pixel Buds A series is not water or sweat resistant. The Google Pixel Buds Pro are both sweat and water resistant, with an IPX4 rating for the earbuds and an IPX2 rating for the charging case. However, it is important to note that water resistance is not a permanent condition. In some cases, the water resistance of a gadget can be compromised by normal wear and tear, disassembly, repair or damage. So, it's very important to bear this in mind and always take necessary precautions. Also, while the Pixel Buds Pro have some level of water protection and can be used in light rain or when sweating, these earbuds are not designed to be fully waterproof and should not be submerged in water. They do provide some level of water protection but are not designed for swimming or other activities that involve being submerged underwater. What is IPX4? IPX4 is a rating standard developed by the International Electrotechnical Commission, IEC, that is used to classify the water resistance of electronic and electrical equipment. The IPX4 rating indicates that a device is protected against splashing water from any direction, meaning it can be used in wet conditions and is suitable for outdoor use. This rating is often found on products such as Bluetooth speakers and other portable electronics, as well as on some kitchen appliances like range hoods. In order to receive an IPX4 rating, a product must pass rigorous testing to ensure it can withstand water exposure from all angles. Additionally, IPX4 products must be able to withstand a minimum water pressure of 10 kilopascals for 3 minutes without any damage or loss of performance. What is IPX2? IPX2 is an international standard that defines the protection against water that a product, such as an electronic device, can provide. It is classified into two categories, vertical and drip box. Vertical protection requires that a device be able to withstand water falling at an angle of up to 15 degrees from vertical, with no more than 1 millimeter of water per minute. Drip box protection requires that a device can withstand water dripping from any direction for 10 minutes with no more than 1 millimeter of water per minute. In addition, IPX2 also includes requirements for insulation and corrosion resistance for the product being tested. IPX2 certification is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electronics used in indoor and outdoor environments where they may be exposed to moisture or other liquids. Conclusion. Overall, the Google Pixel Buds earbuds are not fully waterproof, but they are water resistant. They can withstand sweat and light rain, but they should not be submerged in water because they are not designed to be waterproof. Nevertheless, these earbuds are still quite decent for both indoor and outdoor activities. They are comfortable to wear and have good sound quality. Plus, they come with a charging case that can provide up to 24 hours of battery life. So, if you are looking for a pair of earbuds that can withstand sweat and light rain, then the Google Pixel Buds earbuds might be a good choice for you. However, if you are looking for a pair of earbuds that can be submerged in water, then you should look for a different pair of earbuds that are specifically designed to be waterproof. Ultimately, it is up to you to decide which type of earbuds best suits your needs.
I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you can be the first to get notified when we put out other helpful videos.